Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have a 100-watt power delivery or PD USB-C power supply. It can be used for laptops, cell phones, and other things. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to look at it. We're going to check it out. Probably plug it into my phone and see how well it does. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we got this J5Create 100-watt PD, 100-watt, and USB 12-watt PD USB-C supercharger. It is Jump 2290 is the part number. Safe e-bark cable. Auto balancing. 100% in 1.45 hours for a laptop. It's rating it as USB-C MacBook Pro 1516. Specs on the back of this in English: one USB-C power delivery port provides up to 100 watts output PD. Power delivery 3.0 and 2.0. When using two ports simultaneously, the USB-C port provides up to 87 watts and USB Type A up to 12 watts of fast charging. Built intelligent IC to automatically identify device. Surge and overcharge, overcurrent and overheating protection to ensure safe use. It shows laptops: USB-C, MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Dell Inspiron 13, Dell XPS 13, Vostro 5471, HP Chromebooks 13G1, TPN Q178, ThinkPad X1 Carbon, consoles. Nintendo Switches on this list, as well as the Nintendo Switch Lite, tablets, USB-C, iPad Pro, Pixel C, and Surface Pro 7. Smartphones: Galaxy S8 or later. I will be probably testing it on a Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. It also shows LG G7 or later, Pixel 2 XL or later, and Sony Xperia XZ3. USB Type A compatibility: phones, tablets, MP3 players, and cameras. So I did previous video on this. I actually did use this during the video, previous video. I also used it to charge the camera that we're using right now. The camera was at 76% in 6 minutes. It had fully charged the camera to almost 97%. So works pretty well. Let's see if I can get the tape off this guy. So I have quite a bit of these J5Create products. I have their hub, has an Ethernet port. It's got 3 fast charging USB ports. It has the memory card slots for SD memory cards, micro SD memory cards, and other internet ports, even a dial-up connection. It works really well. I like the J5Create products. They're very few and far between nowadays. Here is the USB. It's USB 2.1, which is a 2.4 amp, and my light just died. And your dedicated USB-C. Let me grab a light. So we can see what I'm doing. Should be plenty of light. I'm gonna plug this cable into the plug that I have sitting here. I am impressed with the power bank version. It's nice that it comes with one of these Velcro cable wraps. I buy these all the time. I like them a lot. It's a nice little added feature that they provided. Pop that off for now. Okay. Well, I'm not sure if we could even test it on my phone. It's at 100%. See if I can drag that percentage down while we're talking about it on the video.
Back friends to the shop.
Just muted video. Take this high of a wattage. I don't think I have anything else that will do that. I might have to bring you guys back so that this video isn't, you know, take forever. I'm bringing you guys back as soon as I have enough power drained from a device that we can test it. Hey everybody, so we're back. I got my phone down to 96%. I just watched like a video or so. It was actually about 3 or 4 videos. But, so, this is the K5, which is this guy that's plugged in 100 watt PD. For whatever reason, the receipt says 100 watt, but for some reason on the digital receipt from Walmart it says 90 watt. And it's quite odd, but I also did plug this into the camera and give the camera a little bit of juice. It brought it back up to 100%. So I plug it in. Oops. Let's turn the screen off. Then plug it in. Okay, fast charging 96%, 10 minutes until full. Now it says 9 minutes till full. Turn these lights off so it's not flickering the camera. I'm going to set this on the box. I do like this style setup. It's pretty easy, quick, kind of similar to the old style power bricks that you would usually get with a laptop. Innovation drives us to have some other stuff here. Register for J5Create product within 6 months of purchase, receive an extended warranty. Thank you for the purchase. I have a couple of these guys too. I'm sure they're USB hubs. And what I was explaining earlier is, oops, drop some stuff. This is not the version of the J5Create, but I have a J5Create version of this guy right here. This is actually made by Desert West. I had actually did a video on it before. It was just a quick information video and unboxing, but I do need to do an update video on this guy. Desert West sent this to me for testing and everything. It's got a USB-C. I have plugged this directly into the phone and actually plugged a Ethernet cable into this guy, and it actually gave my phone Ethernet speed internet, which is 1 gigabyte speed is what I have here. This does have an HDMI port. You can run, basically plug it into your phone or whatever device. You can even plug this into a laptop that takes USB-C and run internet to the laptop. If the laptop doesn't have an Ethernet port, you can run another display. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports on this side. It has a power delivery USB-C pass-through port on this side. It's got another fast charge SS USB A port on this side. It takes micro SD cards and SD regular cards, and all of these are fast SS ports. They're all fast ports. This one is just a little bit faster than the rest, but I have this style module in the J5Create as well. This one came with a little pouch, which I kind of wish the pouch wasn't so tight, but you know, it works. My phone is at 98%. It was at 96. It's got 6 minutes left, is what the phone says. And then it's got this little slide you can slide this guy into. You know, it's only been 2.5 minutes or so, and it's already gone up 2%. So it's doing not extremely as fast as this power brick, but this power brick, the results are pretty close. The power brick was giving me 2% per minute. This one's giving me about 1.5% per minute or so. It also could be that my phone is almost completely charged. When I was using this power bank that does 100 watts output or 20 amps max at 5 volts, my phone was also at lower percentage. It was closer to, I believe, 60 or 70%, somewhere in there. When we started this, it was at 96. So that could be why this one's putting out slower. It's, you know, 1 to 1.5 percent per minute. Could be because it's almost charged, and it's not putting out, you know, the maximum capability of charging at that moment. But it's just, you know, a little demonstration on this device and this charger. I will definitely be doing a lot more videos in this. I'll probably be using this dedicated to charge the GoPro and some other camera equipment to, you know, if I need to get video done and, you know, I don't have 4 hours to charge it, or, you know, stuff like that might help. I do appreciate that you guys stick around for these videos, and you know, the ones of you that have subscribed. I really do appreciate you guys helping me out and subscribing and chit-chatting and commenting. It is very much appreciated. The phone's still at 98%. So that's 5 minutes till full. I don't want to make the video too much longer. I said 4 minutes until full a few seconds ago. It said 5 minutes till full. We also have to do a video on this guy, an unboxing specs video. This one's a 65 watt charger. I bought this guy we're looking at right now. It's 100 watt. This one's a 65 watt, and this little power brick is a 100 watt out. And this power brick at 5 volts at 100 watts, it will do 20 amps in to charge it and 20 amps out. And I also did explain all the ports and their capabilities, explain the conversion between you know, Ohm's law, conversion between ampage and wattage, and voltage. But phone making noises again. It's now at 99%. It says 4 minutes left, so it's going pretty fast. I'm gonna unplug it though, so that way I can drain the battery a little bit, so we can test this one on the next video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with me today. Please go check out, or please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates if you guys want to see updated videos on these guys when I do long-term reviews. All in all, I like that, you know, you can plug it into a power bank, or I can probably charge that power bank. You know, I charge my phone, laptops, all kinds of stuff with it. I like that it is pretty fast. I'm sure if I did this testing, plugging it in, and demonstration with my phone, you know, closer to 70 or 60 or 50%, it probably would have provided more wattage to it at one time during the charging process. But, you know, stuff happens. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Just recently did the episode 1 for the Milwaukee NPS 2020, aka the Pipeline event. There's 3 more events coming. Go check out that episode. It was a live stream of the live Milwaukee event. All the tools they're coming out with, when their pre-order, you know, or their release dates and everything are. I have put all that information in that video. If you guys want to go pre-order a tool, you know, there's links in there. You guys can click on the Ohio Power Tools NPS 2020 link, and it will take you to the list of all their tools. Same with Acme Tools. You can click on the Acme Tools link that shows NPS Pipeline 2020. That will show the list of all the tools that Acme Tools provides, or you can click on individual links that I provided for individual certain tools that I think you guys might like. I will be releasing the episode 2, 3, and 4, and on those perspective videos, I will be doing the links down below for the items that are being sold that were new, that were on that episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave comments down below if you guys need, you know, any more information on this stuff, or you guys are interested in, you know, anything. Let me know. I'll try to get you links to anything that you're interested in if you want to buy anything. And appreciate you guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.